Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the blade out of your TACKLIFE Tools Table Saw. First step is make sure you have your saw unplugged. You do not want to have this energized or plugged in. Let's be safe and not sorry when changing this blade out. You also might want to put some gloves on too because the blade is sharp and your fingers may get dirty and a little bit messy with some grease. So the tools you'll need today are the two tools included with your saw, the Allen wrench and what I'm calling the hex wrench. And you'll also need to get a Phillips head screwdriver. You need that screwdriver first to remove the 3 screws you see right here. Loosen them up, then you're ready to pry the panel off. So you can just set that out of the way. Now you can see we have the blade right here, so let's go ahead and let's get that removed. So for the next step, go ahead, put your hex wrench on first. You can see we can rotate it freely right here. Now go ahead, take your Allen wrench, get it secured in place as well, and you're going to push these away from each other. So push down, there you go, you can see we just loosened it. Now it's finger tight or finger loose, so we can go ahead, we can pull everything out right here. So we can remove the hex wrench, and you'll see what we'll be able to remove. So we can take this bolt and washer out. And then we have one more piece right here that slides right out to reveal the blade for us. The blade even shows you on it how to put everything back together in the direction that it goes. We have your unlock and your lock icon as well. So now go ahead, pretend this is your new blade. Let's get it set back in there. So we have it in place. So our next step, put this guy back on. Follow the image if you need help. We have that on. Now we're ready to tighten this back down. So start it with your fingers first. Just be careful not to cross thread anything. So we're tightening and we're tightening, we're tightening. And instead of pulling both tools away from each other again, put the hex wrench back on. And now get your Allen wrench in there. And we're going to pull them back together now to tighten everything back down. So if they get close enough, you can see we can grip them right there. And now we have everything tight in place. And we're ready to reattach the cover. So with the cover reattached, we went ahead, we fastened down all 3 screws, and we're all set, ready to go to start using it again. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.